Before the tutorial begins, you're going to want to plug in your 3D printer and go through the setup tutorial that's provided on the screen of the printer itself. Once you complete that, it is okay to proceed with this video. Open Google Chrome and go to printcloud.dremel.com. You're going to want to scroll down and find the button that says Create New Account here. This is the Dremel landing page. I have some things already imported. You will not have any files, so don't be alarmed if you don't see any. The first thing you want to do is set up your printer. In order to do this, you have to connect to your printer through printcloud.dremel.com. Click on the Printers tab on the top of the screen that will bring you to the printer landing page. Click on the button that says Register Dremel Idea Builder 3D40/45 printers. It will ask for a registration token. The registration token can be found on the printer itself. You will tap on Tools, then About 3/4 down the list, the token will be listed. Type in the registration token into the web browser. You should get a success message once your printer has successfully been connected. Now, your printer should appear as idle on your screen. Your printer is connected to your account and you're all ready to print. Part 2 is creating the student accounts. Creating student accounts via Printcloud will allow for students to share their files with you wirelessly. Have students go to printcloud.dremel.com. Have them click on Create New Account. They will have to verify their account. This is what the email they will receive will look like. Have them scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the Verify Account button. They will get a success message when the account has been successfully verified. Now students can log into their account. This is exactly how their landing screen will look. Have them click on the My Projects tab on the top of the screen. In order to create a new project, they will have to have an STL file to upload. An STL file is the 3D object. They can create their STL files on Tinkercad or download them from Thingiverse. Have questions on Tinkercad? Watch our other tutorial for more in-depth directions. Once they have a design they're happy with, go ahead and export it as an STL file. Now return to printcloud.dremel and upload their design by clicking the Upload button. Click on the bubble that says Single File, then choose File and find your STL file from your computer. Then click Save and go to My Files. Once your file is successfully uploaded, it should appear with the default files that were there before. Notice it is the same name that you saved it as on your computer. There are 3 steps to complete before it is ready to print. The first is Repair. Click on Repair and then Fix. Make sure you choose the correct printer. The next step is to orient the layout. Click on the Layout button and make sure you select the file that has repaired in its name. In Layout, you design the scale, the size, and how many things you want on the build plate. The most important thing is making sure that the design is flat on the build plate. Once you're done with the layout, click Save and Slice. Select the correct printer from the drop-down menu. Then, click Slice and Toolpath Preview. It will automatically show you the printer's moves that it will make to print your object. Now click the ... button that appears in gray, then share it to your instructor. Type the instructor's email address into the box. Make sure it's the email that the instructor used for their Printcloud account. Now that the student's part is complete, it's up to you, the instructor, to go ahead and print their designs. When you log back into your Printcloud account, go to the My Projects tab. You'll see that you should have some files there that weren't there before. These are the files that are shared from the student. You can tell that it's shared from a student because the Settings button or the Share button to the right of the name of the file won't be lit up. The only two options you'll have is to preview the file and to build it. I recommend previewing the file before going ahead and adding it to the print queue just to make sure everything is laid out correctly. Once you notice everything's laid out correctly, then you can go ahead and build the project. Click on the Build button, then click Print. If your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, it should automatically start the building process. You can continue it in the background, or you can click on the Live View button. The Live View button will give you a live camera feed from your printer to your computer.